Hey guys, my name is Joel Frye and I'm a physical education teacher with KIPP DC Public Schools. Um, I've been a PE teacher at KIPP DC Discover Academy since 2012. This was my first teaching job and I've been there ever since. Here you can see some pictures of some of my students in class doing what we call centers. Um, you can see some of the kids on the exercise bikes, the treadmill, the rower, and using the dumbbells. And the student in the middle is practicing her balance with our bean bags during one of our beanbag lessons. Um, I attended the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. I graduated in 2008 with a bachelor's in exercise and sports science. And then I attended Georgia State University and received my master's in sports administration in 2011. I'm excited about joining this program because I'm very passionate about youth sports and the lessons that you learn through participation in sports that you don't receive inside the classroom. For me, growing up, participating in sports was such a huge part of my life, and it helped mold me into the person that I am today. So I'm really passionate about providing these same opportunities for my students and access to experience these same lessons and joys that I did. And especially in the community where I work, it's a low income community. Um, 99%, 100% black, and they just don't have access to opportunities that you would find in more affluent communities right here in the city of DC. A little bit about me. I'm from a small town in North Carolina. It's called Cameron, North Carolina. Um, for those of you familiar, it's near Pinehurst, Fayetteville. Um, but yeah, that's where I'm from. I was born and raised there. Um, and that's where I call home. Um, I have a daughter. Her name is Jocelyn. She's 7 years old, and she's awesome. I am a marathoner, a runner. I've completed 5 marathons: the Chicago Marathon twice, the Marine Corps Marathon twice, and the Richmond Marathon. I do have dreams of qualifying for Boston. Um, I was hoping to do that last year, but I ruptured my Achilles in a basketball league, which probably wasn't very wise for someone with aspirations to qualify for the Boston Marathon. But last year's plans and goals would have been interrupted anyway because of COVID. So I'm in recovery right now. I'm getting back to where I was, but yeah, I hope to qualify for Boston at sometime in the next few years. So you guys stay tuned. Hopefully, by the time we finish this program, I'll be able to share that with you. All right, guys, that's pretty much who I am. I can't wait to meet the rest of you guys. Hopefully, this provided some insight into who I am. I'm looking forward to meeting everybody, and I'll see you soon.